Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement during this COVID-19 pandemic. So, how are you all? All good? Very good. Now tell me if my voice is audible to you all, then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much for your quick response. So let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon for more updates. And these are the rules of your live class. Okay. So first one is you just have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be only on the comment box. Okay. Then secondly, don't chat with each other. Thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the video. Number 4, it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make your notes only after watching this video. Okay, it's a permanent video you can find anytime from YouTube. So while watching the video, you just have to focus on the theme, the theory which is going to be learned. Okay. So as all of you have known that Aveti Learning is the number one YouTube channel, and here you can find a teacher who never asks for fee because we are providing you the live class at free of cost. Okay. So you should have to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and yes, don't forget to comment us. Aveti Learning provides you spoken English class and Aveti coding class, and that is also absolutely free for all of you. So within a limited period of time you can learn easily how to speak English. So it's a golden opportunity, don't miss it. So you should have to register your name in the given link. The link for the registration for coding class is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class, and the link for the registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. So this is the class schedule of Aveti Learning YouTube Live. So here is the little change, that is our coding class is on Saturday 7:30 p.m. and our spoken English class and guest lecture series is as usual in the same time. So here I am sharing you a screen, so you can see that so many students have already joined in our Aveti spoken English class. So this is the glance of our spoken English class of previous days. So if you want to interact with our spoken English madam directly, if you want to talk with our spoken English madam directly, then first of all you should have to register your name in the given link and download the Zoom application and join in our spoken English class. So you can join in our WhatsApp group now, in which you can find daily session updates, interact with me. That means you can interact with our Aveti master teachers, and our master teachers are here to solve your problem. Then here you can find assignments and exam updates and regular discussion as well as daily questions. So you can check YouTube video description through our WhatsApp link. So we are continuing with the chapter prepositions. So in which we have known that prepositions can be grouped according to their functions, and they can be, number 2 is prepositions of time. Okay, so the prepositions are at, in, on, by, for, since, from, to, till, until, between, during, etc. So let's know about the use of the prepositions of time. The first one is at. So at is used with exact point of time and with the name of some festivals. Okay. For example, he arrived here at 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock is the exact point of time. Okay. Similarly, we can write he arrived here at 10:30, at midday, at midnight, at dawn, at daybreak, at sunrise, at sunset, at dusk, at the weekend. Okay, so here you can see these are the exact point of time. Again, at is used with the name of some festivals. So here we can write like this. He arrived here at Holi or at Christmas or at Easter, at Diwali, at the New Year. Okay, so Holi, Christmas, Easter, Diwali, New Year, these are also a exact time or exact period in which these festivals are celebrated. So in this case also we can use at. Again, he is in bed at this moment. To represent this moment, it is representing an exact time. Okay, so here also at is used to represent the time. Then let's move on to in. In is used with seasons, years and parts of months and days. Okay, अर्थात कौन सी सीजन, ईयर, मंथ. ओके, तो ए प्रकार थिबो जदि कौन सी डे थिबो, पार्ट्स ऑफ मंथ एंड डेज, लाइक पार्ट्स ऑफ डेज मीन्स मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग. ओके, तो ए प्रकार जिनस जदि थिबो ताले सेतरे कोन यूज होबो ता पूर्वरु इन यूज करा जिवो. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही केम हियर इन विंटर. वी कैन राइट इन समर. जदि कौन सी मसीहा को दर्शाइबा को हुए ताले सेतरे मध्ये कोन लागिबो इन व्यवहार करा जिवो. जेमति कि इन 2005, in January, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the twilight, in the night. Okay, so when we use the night, then before that in should be used. But when we use only night, omitting the, then it is at night. Okay, otherwise when we are using the, then in is used. So another example you can see that it is used with the future time to show the period at the end of which an action will happen. Okay, so future रे जदि कोनोसी काम हबा को जाउछि ताले सेई पीरियड को दर्शाइबा पई मध्य इन रो व्यवहार करा जाय. फॉर एग्जांपल, he will arrive in 10 minutes. Okay, so like this we can use in. Again, it is used to show a period of time. गोटे दीर्घ समय अवधि को दर्शाइबा पई मध्य इन रो व्यवहार करा जाय. फॉर एग्जांपल, इट हैपेंड इन माय चाइल्डहुड. अर्थात मोर शैशव काल रे ए घटनाटी घटी थिला. वी कैन राइट इन माय स्कूल डेज, इन माय यूथ, in my old days. Okay, so when we are showing a period of time, we can use in. Then on. On is used with specific dates and days. ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ବା ତାରିଖକୁ ଆମେ ଦର୍ଶାଇବା ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା on ବୋଲି ଦର୍ଶାଇବା ହେଲା ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ I saw her on March 15 or on 15th August, on Thursday, on Sunday morning, on a winter evening, on a fine morning, on her birthday. Okay, so these are the specific days. On the occasion of 20th birthday, on New Year's Day, on Christmas evening, on the Republic Day, on the 15th August. Okay, but when we are using the evening, then we can write in the evening. Okay, on that day. Okay, so like this on is used. Similarly, by. By is used to show the latest time by which an action will be finished. Okay, it is usually used with future time. तो by साधारणतः future time को दर्शाଇବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ कि जो समय भितरे अर्थात जो कम समय भितरे गोटे कार्यटी सरी जाई परिबो तो सेही सिचुएशन को दर्शाଇବା ପାଇଁ by को यूज करा जाए जेमति कि for example the magic show will probably be over by 8 o'clock अर्थात मैजिक शो टी प्राय 8टा बेलू को सरी जाई थिबो हैला तो एई क्षेत्र रे आमे बाय यूज करिबा देन फॉर इज यूज्ड विथ अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ओके सो किछि समय अवधि को दर्शाबा पई बोली आमे फॉर यूज करथाउ फॉर एग्जांपल ही हैज लिव्ड हियर फॉर 1 ईयर से वर्षे हला एठारे रहूची or we can use for last year, for last 3 years से 3 वर्ष हला एठी रहूची हला तो एई क्षेत्र रे आमे for व्यवहार करिबा another example it rained for 3 hours 3 घंटा पई वर्षा हेतिला then since it is used with a point of time in the past from which some action began and continues until the time of speaking. It is generally used with perfect tense, okay, either simple or continuous. तो since रो व्यवहार कोटा कोथरी करा जाए माने कि गोटे कार्य जोटा कि अतीतरु आरंभ हे जाई छी किंतु वर्तमान जेतबेले आमे से कथा को कहूचे से कहिबा समय पर्यंत से कार्यटी चालुची ताले सेही समय रे आमे सिंस रो व्यवहार करिथाउ जोथरे कि विशेष करी परफेक्ट टेंस रो व्यवहार करा जाय थाए है तो इधर सिंपल और कंटीन्यूअस ठीक अछि फॉर एग्जांपल इट हैज बीन रेनिंग 6 o'clock दिस मॉर्निंग अर्थात सकाळ 6 टारु वर्षा आरंभ हे जाय छी आ ए पर्यंत चलीची ओके 6 एमती आमे कहि परिबा इट हैज बीन रेनिंग सिंस मंडे लास्ट और सिंस लास्ट वीक अर्थात सप्ताह हैला बा गत सोमवार ठारू वर्षा आरंभ हे जाईची आ ए पर्यंत चलीची ठीक अछि तो एठी आमे देखि पारले कि एठी परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस रा व्यवहार करा जाईची हैला So another example, I have lived here since 2000. Okay, अर्थात मु 2000 मसीहारू एठारे रहुची बा रही आसुची. That means the action started in the past and continuing in the present or at the time of speaking. Okay, so I have lived here since January 2000, since 5th January 2000, since childhood, since last year, since I was born. Okay, so जो जिनसटा कि आरंभ हो जाइए बट स्टिल कहवा समय सेटा कंटिन्यू करछि तो से समय आमे कौन यूज करबा सिंस रो व्यवहार करबा ठीक अछि So students, today is this much. So now it is homework time. So you should have to fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. And the question is, Amrit will reach dash 5 a.m. And the options are option A, in, option B, at, option C, for, option D, off. So you will write the correct answer and send it to your WhatsApp group, that is WhatsApp group class 10. Okay. So you can contact us through Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. Okay. So let me tell you that we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic. So students, today is this much. I hope all of you have understood about the use of prepositions of time, and we are having some more prepositions of time to be discussed in our next class. And let's meet in our next class with some new concept, with some new content, with some new examples, with some new homework. Okay, till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti learning. Thank you.